Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Waves 14-foot by 48-inch pool set with filter pump and solution blend. Splash into summer with the Summer Waves 14 by 4-foot frame pool. The strong metal frame and snap-in design are durable and will last season after season. Pool comes with Type D filter cartridge and with chlorinator, Easy P 20-pound bucket of pool care solution blend, and SureStep ladder that both attach to the sidewall to avoid tripping. Stylish exterior wicker print blends seamlessly with your outdoor furniture and decor. Product benefits: durable and easy to set up. Made of a durable triple-layer polyester mesh and heavy-gauge PVC material with galvanized metal frame. Includes SFX 1000 filter pump that combines the functions of a skimmer and filter pump. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.